Hi everyone, I have a present for you guys. This is my pairs of shoe. It's a present from a friend. I've made use of it and I've battled it for 6 years and I don't want to let go. I want to bring it back to life. Someone introduced Eko Cutlass to me who promised to put this shoe back to life, and they're gonna give me a favorite color, which is black, and it's one of my favorite colors as well. So I wanna give it a try to see the outcome of this shoe. Thank you.